Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we would like to share with you guys about cinnamaldehyde and active compound in cinnamon. Here our group members. The first one is Nur Fazana Shahira binti Faisal, Nurin Masha Idina binti Muhammad Zabri and Nurin Shamimi binti Asman. We all from Ras1204F. Now let's move to the introduction of this compound.
Cinnamaldehyde, a naturally occurring flavonoid, is the E-trans stereoisomer of cinnamaldehyde, a member of the cinnamaldehyde class. It serves various functions including hypoglycemic, antifungal, flavoring, and sensitizing. It is found in the bark of cinnamon trees and other cinnamomum species like camphor and cassia. Sensitivity to cinnamaldehyde can be identified through a clinical patch test. It is a standardized chemical allergen and has physiological effects such as increased histamine release and cell-mediated immunity.
My name is Nurin Masha Idina binti Muhammad Zabri. Let's talk about physical and chemical properties of cinnamaldehyde. For the chemical compositions is about the formula C6H5CH equal to CHCHO. And IUPAC name for the cinnamaldehyde is 2E, 3-phenylprop, 2-NL. And the other name from cinnamaldehyde is C-high-namaldehyde, cinnamon aldehyde. And for the isomer is predominantly the trans-E isomer, the natural synthesis produced by the Shikimate pathway in plants. For the physical properties, appearance from cinnamaldehyde, pale yellow oil, and the odor is pungent, cinnamon-like. For density in cinnamaldehyde is 1.0497 g per ml. And the melting point is -7.5 degrees and 18.5 Fahrenheit and 265.6 Kelvin. And the boiling point from the cinnamaldehyde is 248 degrees and 478 Fahrenheit and 521 Kelvin. For the solubility, is slightly soluble in water, soluble in ether, chloroform, insoluble in petroleum, ether miscible with alcohol with oil. Refractive index for the cinnamaldehyde is 1.6195 power of 12.
In physical and chemical properties, we have three homologous series in functional group. The first one is phenyl in benzene, also in aldehyde and anyl in alkyl. Now let's move to the benefits and uses of the compound. Now we want to talk about benefits of the compound. This is from health benefits. We have disease and their health benefits based on this compound. First, effect on blood glucose. It can reduce intestinal glucose absorption and stimulating cellular glucose uptake. Second, cholesterol and lipid lowering properties, hypercholesterolemic effects. Third, effects on blood pressure, reduction in blood pressure and anti-clotting. Fourth, immunomodulatory properties, anti-allergic action and immunotherapy effects. Lastly, we have anti-tumor properties. Anti-cancer effects of cinnamaldehyde result from induction of reactive oxygen series. We also want to add some benefits from other side. We have three sides, which is culinary industry, economic impact, and agriculture. The first one from the culinary industry, we have flavoring agent and preservative. Flavoring agent, cinnamon is commonly used as a spice in both sweet and savory foods, beverage and baked goods. In preservative, its antibacterial characteristic make it useful to extend the shelf life of food products. In economic impact, we have trade and employment. In trade, cinnamon is an important export product for countries such as Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and India. This cinnamon contributing to their economy. In employment, cinnamon production, harvesting, and processing generate jobs and support livelihood in the producing region. Last, we have agriculture. In agriculture, we have soil health. In soil health, it can be used to improve soil quality and keep plants safe from fungal infection. Now let's move to the uses of the compound. We have three uses of the compound. The first one is therapeutic uses. In therapeutic uses, this compound helps to fight against tooth decay and bad breath, and so the herbs of cinnamon is used for enhancing oral health. The antifungal and antibacterial property of cinnamaldehyde also helps to reduce infection. Second, we have anti-diabetic property. Oral administration of cinnamaldehyde markedly reduces glycosylate hemoglobin, serum total cholesterol, and triglyceride, and increase the hepatic glycogen, and HDL means high density lipoprotein cholesterol. Third, we have insecticide and mosquito repellent. Cinnamaldehyde is an effective animal repellent which is used to repel animals like cats and dogs. It is also used as an effective insecticide for mosquitoes. It had been found that about half an Aedes aegypti mosquito larvae are killed by an amount of 29 ppm of cinnamaldehyde in 24 hours.
Chemical reaction for cinnamaldehyde involve the oxidation of cinnamyl alcohol, which is commonly achieved using oxidation agents like potassium permanganate or chromic acid. We have two chemical reactions here. The first one is oxidation. Cinnamyl alcohol undergoes oxidation typically with an oxidizing agent, converting the alcohol functional group to an aldehyde functional group, forming cinnamaldehyde. This process involves the loss of hydrogen atoms and the addition of oxygen to the carbon atom near the double bond. The second one, hydrolysis. The hydrolysis of intermediates or side products can result in the production of additional products like carboxylic acid or other hydrolysis products, depending on the reaction condition. This reaction is widely used in the industrial product of cinnamaldehyde for various applications, including flavoring agents, fragrance synthesis, and chemical intermediates in organic synthesis. Here is the balance equations for the oxidation of cinnamyl alcohol to cinnamaldehyde.
But not least is conclusion. The main ingredient giving cinnamon is unique flavor and scents in cinnamaldehyde, which is extracted from the essential oil of cinnamon bark. A wide range of biological actions such as antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, and cardiovascular effect make this aromatic aldehyde noteworthy. Due of its versatility, it is used in a variety of industry, including cosmetic, food, and medicine. Cinnamaldehyde is still being studied despite being known to be safe when used correctly. This emphasizes its importance as a primary active ingredient in cinnamon and show prospective medicinal uses.
Lay down